are planning on hitting the beach this holiday weekend, there are plenty of clean ones on the Central Coast. There are also a couple in Santa Cruz County that have failing grades, according to one group.
Pollution seeping into our rivers, lakes, and oceans. It seems to be one of the many trade-offs from modern development.
The throwaway concept of living is proliferating, and it's showing up in the ocean.
He offers no hope of cleaning it up. The solution, Moore says, is to stop the plastic at its source. Stop it on land before it falls into the ocean.
Stormwater is a toxic cocktail of sediment, grease, tire wear, and any litter small enough to slip into storm drains. And that's just what you can see. There's much more we can't see. Microscopic particles of heavy metals like copper and zinc are commonly found in urban highway runoff. There's also oil and petroleum-based hydrocarbons. Every time water washes over these hard surfaces, pollutants pour into the nearest waterway.